Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I will guide you through how to get blue tick on small Instagram account without money. To do so, first of all, open your Instagram application and search very successful Instagram user. Then copy their URL by clicking on the three dots. Once you copy that, go to the profile icon which is on the bottom right corner of the screen, then click on the three lines on the top right and choose setting and privacy. From there, scroll down a little bit. There you will see creator option, hit on that. From there, hit on the edit profile option and click on the links, and here add that link, and on the title give the social media. By adding the successful person's link, you might gain some of the followers and it might help you to get blue tick on your Instagram account. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.